Preparing a souffle is not very difficult, and actually one of the best things about making a souffle is that you can prepare the base in advance, and then all you have to do is whip and fold in the egg whites just prior to baking. The recipe for souffle was developed many years long before we had convection ovens, so following the recipe instructions, you would be perfectly safe choosing the traditional bake mode. The traditional bake mode provides a stable, dry heat, which is ideal for turning a wet batter into a light, dry baked item. However, you can also bake a souffle successfully using convection as long as you remember to reduce the recipe temperature by 25 degrees. The recipe I use is from an old James Beard cookbook, and it always works well. I make the base first. I begin by sauteing some spinach lightly with some shallots, and I set that aside to cool. Meanwhile, I prepare a bechamel sauce. Once that's thickened, you stir in the egg yolks, add some grated Gruyere cheese, and then fold in the spinach mixture. This can actually be done a few hours prior to baking the souffle. So when it's time to bake the souffle, you arrange the oven rack so that the souffle has plenty of room to rise. Heat the oven and whip the egg whites. Once the egg whites have been combined with the prepared base, place the souffle in the oven immediately. Set the timer for 30 to 35 minutes. Larger ovens may go a little slower. Mine is really fast. The souffle should be browned on top and firm on the sides with a creamy center. Be sure the table is set and any side dishes are ready, because soufflés do not wait. They need immediate consumption. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.